Have you ever been pulled in so many directions? You're looking to start a business online or make money or start a business in 2020 and you don't know where to start? Well, here I'm going to give you an opportunity to check out Builderall. It is an all-in-one digital platform. It's a great career opportunity for you. And I am here in Builderall in my back office. Check the link in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out. I will put an offer down there for their premium plan, which is $69.90 a month, but you get to start out for $1 for 30 days. Check it out and you'll see these features. And some of the features that it offers here at Builderall is a drag and drop website builder, an e-commerce by Magento. You can build your site on the most powerful digital marketing platform. If you're looking into selling some of your own products, no matter what, let's just check out the back office here, how easy and simple it is. And now this is just a template for an e-commerce store, but you can have a professional looking e-commerce store to sell whatever. Maybe you sell on eBay, Etsy right now, and you want to put some of your products to sell directly to some of your customers and potential customers. You can create a website, drag and drop, no coding needed. Just go up here and click and change these things. It's that simple. So now let's just go back and highlight a few more features in Builderall, just to whet your appetite, to let you know this platform is legit. It's not a fly-by-night. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means. You are building a legitimate business, and you can take any one of these tools, these apps, and start your business. So let's just scroll and look at a few of them, a few more that they offer. Let's see here. Let's see, script generation. That's a good one there. Builderall script generator tool generates more leads for effective converting. And if you've ever struggled with sales copy and copywriting, this will help you with that. Also, there's a webinar tool on here somewhere. I've used it and seen it here recently, but let's see here. There it is, hiding over here on the left. Here is a webinar builder. So we see so many webinars out there today. People are creating webinars for learning, helping their clients, potential clients, learn more. Very easy and simple to create one. You can stream a live webinar on YouTube or Facebook or in your own meeting room. You can have a live on demand room with chat and login. So that's just like a membership site. Or you can schedule an evergreen webinar. Evergreen means for years down the road, people can go and access this webinar and learn. It says create and continuously repeat webinar with selected intervals. Schedule several webinars for one room. Create a form to allow clients to subscribe to your webinar and collect their emails. A great way to build your business, webinars. Again, as I mentioned, so many great features here in Builderall. So now let's just continue on here. There's app builders. They're continuing to, Builderall is continuing to build and to create systems that allow you to create apps and publish them to the Google Play Store, the App Store, Amazon App Store. So you can play around with that. Of course, you can have a professional email and domain that links to your website. You can have social proof pop-ups. You can have video wrappers, a professional website bot. Now, I've played around with this one. This is a really cool tool, professional website bots. Artificial intelligence, and indeed, that's where things are going, right? Google and Facebook, everyone has chat bots, but you can create a new flow here. You would title it and make it a name. Let's see, BA Nation. Let's just try that. That's just a made up name there. So now that you have your flow, you can go here and edit that flow. Save it. Let's check out one I've already created. Here is a site bot that I've created. I just want to let you look at it and just show you the flow of this chat bot or site bot. And you can have over here on the left, you can have a text message. You have different buttons. You can have the answers, date and time, number, email, phone. You can have it delayed. And so you can sort the steps. So all you would do is create this first hello, how are you site bot. And if we've gone to different web pages and things like that, even with Facebook, we've seen these actions where it'll say, how are you? And then once you reply, then it'll say good. And then it says, may I have your name? And they put their name in there. And then the flow goes, thanks. And that mentions that person's name that they put in there. And it says, may I also have your email and send you goodies? Now, see how powerful that is? You're collecting emails from potential clients also, so that you can send them some emails, autoresponder, that kind of thing. Are you interested in affiliate marketing, email marketing, web design? I'm not interested. So for whatever they pick or interested in, it will send them somewhere. Say, for example, they're interested in affiliate marketing, email marketing, web design. It'll send them over here and it'll say, great, thanks for that. Basically, thanks, awesome. Click this button for a 14-day free trial. And they click that button, it sends them here. But if they're not interested, all is not lost. It'll send them here. It'll say, thank you for visiting my site. And this button here will say, basically, thanks for visiting. I'm not going to promote anything to you, but I'm going to send you to Builderall, well, which kind of is a promotion, but it's leaving it up to them. They can exit out if they want to. So you can see how it just kind of feeds into a funnel, so to speak, but you're using a site bot to do so. What an awesome feature there. So let's go back here to Builderall. See the CRM there. You can have a customer relationship management system, put everything in order there. Again, just come here and learn these tools. You can start your own business with these tools. This is an awesome feature as well, a video tag tool. So let's say you created a video on YouTube or wherever, you downloaded it on your computer, you go here, upload the video to the video tag tool editor, and you can edit that video and place a clickable link on it. Now, I'm probably going over your head, but let's just take this for example. This is a video tag that I've created. See if I can open it up here. Let's edit it. All right, and I'm just going to play it for you. All right, so let's pause it for a second. This video is a Builderall video, and if you notice over here to the right, you'll see this little logo, and you'll see something that says free 14-day trial. This is a clickable link inside of your video. How powerful is that? And you can put your link to wherever you want to send customers. If you want to send them to your landing page, you can send them there. You want to send them to an affiliate link, all I have to do is click on that button and it'll send it there. And the tag creation is so easy. You can put a call button in here. You can put an email. You want to get their email, or you can, like I say, you can put a website link, and that's what this is, a link to your website. You put it down here, save it. It's that simple. So what an added feature just to your own videos creations. So guys, I'm not going to spend any more of your time. I just want to highlight some of those features. Many people hear about Builderall, but this hopefully will help you to understand a little bit more of what they offer. If you're trying to start that job, you're looking to start over new, and you find yourself in a different work situation, whatever the case may be, hopefully this helps. And remember, Builderall has great training as well and tools to help you learn more. Again, platforms and tools to help to train you and walk you right through it. So if you're having trouble making a decision and you don't want to be left in the lurch, you want to be overwhelmed, come over here, watch some of the videos, put a little bit of time investment. Nothing is that easy, but it's worth your effort to learn these tools and create your own business online. And Builderall is here to help. So check the link in the description, guys. Hopefully this helped. We'll see you in the next one.